And there's the building. This will probably be done in 3 parts because my phone somehow keeps getting shut off. I have no idea why it does that, but I have a pretty flower. I wonder what they smell like. Well, one of these days we'll check it out. The Lord loves you. Take care. Your sons and daughters of God. That's pretty amazing, isn't it? He begot your spirits. Jesus was the first one that was created from our heavenly parents. That's why he's the begotten, first physical begotten son. And he's our big brother. His light was so bright that that's why he had so much trouble with the adversary, Satan. And Satan wanted to force everyone to return to Heavenly Father. And the plan was that we would have our free agency. And Jesus said, no, send me. And people would have their free agency to return to Heavenly Father, to find the way that leads to Him. Now I gotta go ask permission that I pick these plants so that I can start some. Because I can't just take it without asking. I probably should have asked first. It's amazing, isn't it? So peaceful. Oh, there's a yellow butterfly. Aren't they adorable?